Hi, welcome to beautiful kitchen and a brand new listing here at 121 Morgan Ave, unit number 7. Great end unit townhouse, as you can see. Beautifully finished from top to bottom. Basement's got a great recreation room and a renovated bathroom. Upstairs has 3 spacious bedrooms and a renovated bathroom and a great main floor area with a great walkout. Beautiful treed and private backyard. But you know what I love about this area too is all the features around it. You got a great local school just down the street. Chicopee Ski Resort, which has tubing and skiing in the winter and mountain biking in the summertime. The LRT station is only a short walk away, and you also have access to Highway 8 and 401 for commuting around the city. You know what? Let's go have a look. Welcome to 121 Morgan Avenue, unit number 7. Step into this bright, modern kitchen featuring stylish vinyl floors and tiled backsplash. It's fully equipped with stainless steel appliances and a large window that floods the space with natural light. The open concept living and dining area is designed for connection, featuring durable laminate floors and a cozy gas fireplace. From here, walk out to your private treed back deck, the perfect spot for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Heading upstairs, the principal bedroom is a true retreat, offering plenty of space, a walk-in closet, and laminate flooring with a view of the quiet backyard. The second bedroom also boasts a walk-in closet and a large window, with the third bedroom featuring a double closet and a convenient built-in Murphy bed, perfect for a home office or guest room. The top level is rounded out by a beautifully renovated 4-piece bath, complete with quartz countertops and a deep soaker tub. The living space continues in the fully finished basement. The recreation room is the ultimate setup for movie nights or watching the big game, featuring a gas stove to keep you cozy, and it even includes a renovated 4-piece bath for added convenience. Daily life is made easy with a direct entrance from the garage into the home. Out back, the large deck is surrounded by mature trees, providing exceptional privacy and shade for your summer barbecues. Ditch your car, you're just a couple-minute walk from Howard Robertson Public School across the street. Adventure awaits with Chicopee Ski and Summer Resort literally around the corner for skiing, tubing, and mountain biking in the summer. You're minutes away from Fairview Park Mall, the LRT station, and quick access to Highway 8 and 401, making this an incredible location. Well, as you saw, great home in a wonderful neighborhood. You know what? If you want a private tour, why don't you message me and I'll be happy to take you on that private tour or answer any questions that you have. Follow me on social media at #HomeJamesRemax. Help us share this video and find the brand new owners. And you know what? Have yourself a beautiful day.